Hello students, welcome back. In my previous video, I have done a revision for phrase and clause. In that video, we have learned what is the meaning of phrase, what is the meaning of clause, how is phrase different from clause, and what are main clause and independent clause. Okay, I hope you have understood all these things. Today what we will do, we will practice some questions. So let's see the questions. Now what you will have to do is, you will have to get ready with your copy and pen. You will have to write the questions in your copy as well as you will have to write the answers by your own. So are you ready with the copy and pen? Then let us start. Okay. So in these questions you can see, identify the sentences as phrase or clause. Means you will have to identify which sentence is phrase or which sentence is clause. So let me quickly revise. Phrase will have no subject and no verb, whereas clause will have subject and verb. Okay. So our first sentence is on the wall. Next, he is playing in the field. Next, Ashok smiled. Next, if you can work on Sundays. Next, before the food gets cold. So I repeat the sentences. On the wall. He is playing in the field. Ashok smiled. If you can work on Sundays. Before the food gets cold. So let's see our next sentences. Under the table. The exercise is continued here. Means you will have to identify whether the sentence is phrase or is it clause. So the sentence is under the table. Who is intelligent? I like ice cream. I will go to the market if you come with me. These silver earrings. I repeat the sentences. Under the table. Who is intelligent? I like ice cream. I will go to the market if you come with me. These silver earrings. So in these sentences, it's very easy. You will have to identify whether the sentences are phrase or clause. So let's proceed. Now we discussed it earlier also. Clauses are of two types: independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause can stand alone, means it will have its own meaning, whereas dependent clause will not be able to stand alone. It will have to depend on the independent clause to get its entire meaning. So now we will solve few questions based on independent and dependent clause. Okay, means you will have to segregate which part is independent clause and which part is dependent clause. First question. I think that he will pass out. When he heard this, he turned very pale. He ate when he was hungry. When I lived in Tokyo, I played tennis every day. I repeat the sentences. I think that he will pass out. When he heard this, he turned very pale. He ate when he was hungry. When I lived in Tokyo, I played tennis every day. Eric has lost the pen which John gifted him on his birthday. I repeat the sentence. Eric has lost the pen which John gifted him on his birthday. Next. Although Bill was sick, he still went to work. Although Bill was sick, he still went to work. I don't know where he has gone. Please tell me why he is always late. I repeat the sentences. Eric has lost the pen which John gifted him on his birthday. Although Bill was sick, he still went to work. I don't know where he has gone. Please tell me why he is always late. In these questions also same, it is the continuation of the previous part. You will have to segregate the independent clause and the dependent clause. Okay. Okay. Now few things you will have to write by your own, means you will have to make your own sentences. That is, you will have to write 5 examples of phrase. Okay. The sentences you will write by your own. You will write 5 examples of phrase and you will write 5 sentences with main clause and dependent clause. Means the sentences which you will write, they should contain main clause as well as dependent clause. Okay. The answers will be discussed later. Thank you.